What's up, everyone? Today I'm showing you my exact daily vitamin routine, the simple stack I use for energy, focus, recovery, and long term health. No crazy pills, no nonsense, just what actually works. Most people are tired, foggy, and low energy every day, and they don't even know why. This is the exact daily vitamin routine I use to fix that. Simple, powerful, and consistent. No hype, no crazy stacks, just what actually works. Let me show you. The morning stack. Every morning with food, I take NMN for cellular energy and healthy aging. Resver I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Resveratrol, powerful antioxidant that works with NMN, vitamin D3 plus K2, immune system, hormones, bone strength, omega 3, brain, heart, and inflammation support. Multivitamin covers daily nutrients. Berberine supports metabolism and blood sugar balance. If I need intense focus, streaming, poker, work, I add Alpha Brain for mental clarity. So I like to take that on days I plan on streaming or, a very busy day, like if I'm going to play poker all day, I'll be taking that. Night stack. Before bed, Magnesium Glycinate. This helps sleep, recovery, muscles, and nervous system. Good sleep equals better energy, better health, better performance. Occasional and cycled. Probiotic gut health. Stonebreaker, kidney support. Parasite Cleanse. I do this once a year, not daily. Sometimes every other year. Why this works? This stack supports energy, focus, recovery, heart health, metabolism, longevity. But remember, supplements support health. They don't replace sleep, water, real food, and exercise. Consistency beats everything. If this helped you, drop a like, comment your daily stack below, subscribe for more health, focus, poker, and performance content. Stay strong.